Spawn 1 Series 1. Or Spawn 14 of 90 top 35 plus best black superheroes in comics, ranked by fans 44 of 297 the best comic book superheroes of all time, 1345 of 3,512 the best movie characters of all time. The Maxx Series 4. This striking figure is a callback to the days when Spawn toys sometimes included characters from other Image comics, even if they had very little to do with Spawn. The Feral Warrior is posed here in his trademark poor posture and comes with tribal accessories for his psychonautical excursions to the outback. Cy-Gor 2 Series 12. Hellspawn Series 24. Clown 5 Series 27. Vandalizer Series 27. Do you love disgusting demons but don't feel like you're evil enough to install a Violator in the boudoir? Why not scale back on the evil a little bit and decorate your abode with this likeness of Vandalizer? He's drooling vomit, but at least he's not violating anyone. Tremor 3 Series 26. Spawn vs. Yes. Cy-Gor Series 26. Violator 3 Series 20. Curse 2 Series 26. Wings of Redemption Series 34. Sam and Twitch Series 25. Spawn 7 Series 21. While you contemplate purchasing Spawn 7, he contemplates a skull. It's like Hamlet, which means installing this oversized masterpiece in your library makes you classy, referential, and a gothically inclined hipster. Win-win-win. More Spawn, the best storylines. Every Spawn fan should read 595 of 661 the best black movies ever made. Ranked 62 of 97 the worst superhero movies ever made. Spawn 5 Series 17. More 4 of 37 the best anti-heroes in comics. 4 of 2020 toys that everyone had in the 90s for some reason. 2 of 27 the best superhero capes and cloaks in comics.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.